is evidence of deliberate targeting of civilians, of disproportionate attacks against civilians, often in their homes, indiscriminate attacks such as with the use of artillery fire in densely populated civilian areas.
Attacks on first responders, attacks on ambulances, on hospitals.
All of those are war crimes.
An artillery shell cannot be specifically targeted. That is an area weapon. Now, when that is used in any urban environment, how can one be sure there are no civilians or non-combatants in that area?